Hi everyone, Theo here with JDS Insider. Did you know that JDS has a very active social media presence? Our JDS Laser group on Facebook has thousands of members and growing every day. In our Facebook group, members ask questions, give feedback, and showcase what they are creating. JDS also has an extensive library of educational and tutorial videos on YouTube. To access all this information, all you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and request a membership into our JDS Laser group on Facebook. And now you know.